Reconciling Your Keg Fleet by Volume in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how KL reconciliation compares liters shipped against what's come back and flags the gap, so you catch keg shrinkage early. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Keg Intelligence from your dashboard. This reconciles your keg fleet by volume, not just by count. I compare the total liters you've shipped out against what's come back and what's still legitimately in the field, and flag the gap as unaccounted loss. Click New Reconciliation to compare your distributor reports against your keg ledger. Each row breaks the gap down by time period or by customer, so you can see whether a loss is spread evenly or concentrated with one account. Click into a flagged period, and I'll show you the underlying shipments and returns behind the number. Run this monthly or quarterly to catch keg shrinkage early, kegs that are lost, stolen, or forgotten in a back room before it becomes a real dent in your fleet.